Hi there, it's Jason here from My Aircon Care. I want to thank you personally for requesting a quote to have your split system cleaned by My Aircon Care. In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how we clean your system when we come into your home and complete the job. So you know what to expect, but you can also make an informed decision on whether you'd like to use us to come out and clean the system for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the one behind me. I'm going to sort of, as I go through each part of the job, I'm going to explain why we do it, and you can sort of know exactly what's going to happen when the job's getting done. All right, so let's get into it. The one behind me, I'm going to get set up right now, and you can just watch me do that, and we'll get into the cleaning. All right, thanks, and we'll talk to you through the video. Okay, so we've taken the covers off. This is the first part of the job. So we've set up all the safety, the drop sheet. That will go underneath the unit, which is protecting your furniture and your carpet. Depending on what's underneath it, we'll assess that on the day. But yeah, I just want to quickly show you the insides of this one. You can see up here on the fan there, all of that stuff, all of that mold and dirt. The reason it looks like that is because it gets really wet when you use it on the cool mode, and you can see all of that mold. Look at all that mold up there. Okay, so that's what we'll be sanitizing using our special chemicals. And also up here, the coil. This one's really dirty. You can see here, like when I'm rubbing my finger on it, like how bad it is. So what we do is we clean this part of it, and this helps the machine to operate a lot better. Basically, I honestly believe this is probably working at about 50%, maybe less, because it's so dirty. It really does inhibit the performance by having it this dirty. It's blocked. It's basically a blocked coil, and you can see the heavy dust there, and you know, spider webs and all that sort of stuff. And also the drain here. Now, if you don't take your covers off, you're not going to be able to clean this properly. Okay? Now, there will be companies out there that will offer you $90 cleans and all these cheaper cleans. What you've just seen me do here, taking the covers off, they will not do that. And how on earth are they going to clean all this? You know, it's not worth it, you know. My advice, pay the extra money, get it done properly. It's done correctly, and you know you're going to get a good job. All right, so we get it all the time. I have to come back to jobs because they've had a company out there and they haven't done the job properly. The machine still smells, or they've broken something on it because they don't know what they're doing. Okay, there's a reason why people charge less, and we all know that. So anyway. Let's move on to the next part of the job. I'm going to take the covers outside, I'm going to clean them, and we're also going to clean the outdoor unit. So let's go. All right, so we've got the outdoor unit out here. Okay, we're going to give this a clean up as well. Do the same for your system. We'll give it a clean up as well. It's a part of the price. If it's up high or on a roof or something like that, we can't do them because we need harnesses. But we can explain that further to you on the day. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the covers of the system, and as you can see, you've seen them when I pulled them off before. But I'll just turn this around and show you again. So these are the covers. Obviously, we're going to clean all of that off to get the filters out, give them a nice clean up as well. okay? We want to get all that build up and crap and all the dust and everything that's built up. We want to get all of that off. The only way to do that is to pull these covers off and do it properly. So what I'll do is I'll set the camera up, and you can also watch me clean the outdoor unit. When we come around your place, we're going to need access to your garden hose. So if you've got one of them, if not, we carry one with us anyway, so don't worry too much about that. All right, let's get into it. All right, so there you go. So that's how we do the covers and the outdoor unit. Now I'll just give you a quick look at what the result is with that. All right, there's the outdoor, spick and span. Okay, super clean, super duper clean. Ready for another 12 months of use. And the covers. Okay, now tell me, you're just never going to get that result by not taking the covers off, guys. So, you know, please be careful who you use. That's all I'm saying. But there you go. Finished result with the filters. So there we go. So the next part of the process is to clean the head unit itself. So what I'll do now is I'm going to take it inside again, and you can watch me set the bag up, clean the unit, and I'll show you the results and stuff after it, and then basically that'll be it. I'll put it all back together and job done. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. I'm going to put it all together and put the bag up, get it ready, and just get into it. So enjoy the music and watch me do it. All right, let's check out the results. Pretty good, and you can see up here, look at that, beautiful. All right, let's have a look in the bucket. Pretty bloody dirty. So what I'll do now is I'll put our disinfectant deodorizer on it, which will take that edgy smell off from the mold being released from cleaning it. It does smell, you can smell it in the air now. So what we do is we put a deodorizer on it, which is we put an odor neutralizer on it afterwards, which takes away the smell from cleaning it, because the mold releases a really bad odor from when you clean it. So we put that on it, it takes that away from it, and after a week or two, that smell will just go away and it'll just run like normal, okay? So I'll put the camera back in its holder, and you can watch me put it all back together, and I'll see you afterwards. just going to give it a blow dry now, so you can use it straight away, and so it doesn't, you know, spray water all over me when I turn it on. To that, you can't get access to that stuff without taking the covers off, so make sure you get it done. All right, let's take a look at the finished product. All right, so now that you've seen our process and how we do it, you understand everything about the job, and you can now make an informed decision on whether you want to go ahead with us or use another company to clean your air conditioning system. We will send you over the pricing for the service via Messenger. Now, if you're watching this video 2 years later from me making it, obviously the pricing's different, so that's why I'm not telling you in this video right now. So if you go back to Messenger, by now there should be a message from us with the pricing for you to make a decision on whether you want to get it done. The pricing is a per unit pricing. We do discounts for 4 or more units. So if you've got 4 or more, we do a discount, which would be 10% on the price that we've given you. Okay, if you've got any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. 0432 055 804 is my number. Or the quickest way to get an answer is to go through Messenger, because yeah, I'm busy. I'm a busy man. I deal with a lot of people every day, and high chance that I won't be able to get back to you for a little while. So just go through Messenger. All right, so thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching this video to the end. And I hope to see my aircon care cleaning your air conditioner. So thanks very much.